Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best carport kits available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1 is the Advanced Outdoor Heavy Duty Carport. Find the perfect coverage by adjusting the carport. The 10-foot wide and 20 feet long carport can be adjusted of between 9.5 and 11 feet, as well as sidewalls that are removable. Select white or beige to match the shade of the triple-layer heat-sealed 180-gram polyethylene covering. The frame is made of heavy-duty 1.5-inch in diameter galvanized steel that comes with leg poles that are either solid or solid with 16 steel pegs with 8 auger anchors. The sidewalls can be removed completely and lift the doors away from the frame. In order to make the frame more durable than the rest, the steel is more robust with a thickness of 1.2 millimeters. Although the frame and cover are strong, but the hardware isn't the strongest. The bolts could easily break, as well as the Velcro straps that secure the doors aren't sturdy enough to last long. Moving up at number 2 is the Quictent Heavy Duty Galvanized Car Shelter. You can be sure that your carport can withstand any rainstorm, thanks to cable made of steel and the ground support. Select between 2 sizes, 10 feet wide, 20 feet long, and 13 feet wide, 20 feet long. A galvanized steel frame holds the extra thick polyethylene fabric. 4 extra steel cables of high strength, as well as 6 bar for ground support your carport, preventing shifting, twisting, and other motions. The polyethylene is extra thick and is UV water, tear, and UV. Despite all the strengthening and reinforcement, if you wish for the carport you have built to last, it is necessary to remove the cover in the event of heavy snow or high winds. The shape of the cover is more prone to being caught in the wind, which puts unnecessary stress on the fabric and the frame. It's also difficult to fold the doors due to it being an entire piece of wood for the entire length of the door, that makes them heavy and difficult for one person to carry. At number 3 on our list is the Abba Patio Portable Lightweight Carport. The carport that is affordable is light and portable, yet it looks classy with its attractive style. Pick between ivory and khaki for your 10 feet wide and 20 feet carport. The tough triple-layer polyethylene fabric that is used to cover the peaked frame, as well as 4 legs. It is UV-tear, UV and water resistant. The frame's poles are light and only 1.5 inches wide. They are powder coated to stop chipping, peeling, or corrosion. The lightweight design of the frame can cause it to be more susceptible to being bent, therefore be cautious with excessive weight placed over it or strong winds. The fabric is prone to quickly developing holes, which cause it to leak out. The fabric doesn't also have sides or doors at the end, which leaves your car more vulnerable than the other carports in this list. At number 4 is the Sorara Carport Heavy Duty Canopy Garage. You can have more than a garage with the stylish design of this 10 feet wide and 20 feet long carport. Each of the sidewalls has 2 windows that are large. A doorway that lifts up between the windows gives an umbrella cover, as well as access to either side of your carport. The side doors should be lined up with the front door of the home, and you'll have a secured walkways when the weather isn't ideal. Both sides have roll-up doors to provide ample cross ventilation. The frame is durable 2-inch diameter, rust-proof steel frame with a strong base and corner plates. The cover made of polyethylene can be UV and water resistant, with high-end bungees which securely attach it to frame. The high-pitched design of the carport makes it difficult and heavy to fold across the ends of the flaps. The window covers are difficult to line up, leaving gaps that allow rain to enter. You'll also be disappointed with the tiny dimensions of the stakes, as well as the inability of them to anchor the carport correctly. The 5th product on our list is the Peaktop Outdoor Heavy Duty Carport. This carport that is built to last is ideal to leave your car in all entire year. Its 10 feet wide 20 feet length is available in beige or white. The frame is made of galvanized steel and measures 1.5 inches across, and has the connectors which are thickened to 1.65 inches. The galvanized finish shields the frame from corrosion, rust peeling, chipping, and chipping. Its canopy material is dense polyethylene, weighing 180 grams. It is also waterproof and tear resistant, as well as anti-UV. One of the unique features that this vehicle port has is its windproof edges cover that has an extended flap of 10 inches that shields your car from rain getting underneath the canopy and making your vehicle soaked. A leg cloth as well as an adjustable hooks are used to protect each pole. One disadvantage of this type of carport is the zippers aren't as large and therefore less durable and more difficult to work with. The canopy cover is also an unsecure fit to the frame, which allows it to open and move when it is blown. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.